Civic Mirror really changed my life. Before it, I would never make contracts to make anything official. This created problems such as misunderstanding and stealing of possessions. Many people got sued in court for not having made an understandable or detailed contract to ensure a proper and fair trade. Civic Mirror introduced me to the beauty of contracts, and now I use them for every single trade I make.
Civic Mirror really taught me the issues between special interest groups and how they can control who gets what and when. In my country, the special interest groups fought over everything and tried to impeach each other out of their positions based on suspicion. They also decided to create special contracts or deny other resources in order for personal gain, up to the point where that they blew up our power plant, which was necessary for everyone and resulted in death. The Civic Mirror taught me how bias and discrimination in order for power and property can create distrust and hostility and affect all members of a society, not just the involved groups.
Civic Mirror taught me that if you want anything to happen, you must voice your opinions and concerns, especially to representatives. Because there are a lot of people who didn't go on the online discussion when I was playing, it was impossible to know what the people actually wanted and make accurate arguments. Now I participate in my government in every way. I even received a Citizen of the Year award. I also learned that when a nation is united and the people work together, it's much more efficient. Take, for example, my country, Dios. The first year, my country was separated and no one trusted anyone. Basically, it was a disaster. Then we came up with the blackout plan, which made it so we all take the hit together. We became united and there were no deaths.
Out of the way, kid. Play Civic Mirror. Be better prepared for life and be better protected from mayhem like me.